Tonight we worked on a couple things. First we had a footwork drill. So it started with triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. That's 8 counts. Then we did a rock, step, triple step, and a rock, step, triple step. And that was 8 counts. So altogether it was 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We did that to the song Fifth of Whiskey and a Case of the Blues, and it was perfect for practicing our blues footwork or our blues rhythm, and for working on our triple steps, the quality of our triple steps, doing a kind of a quick, slow rhythm. After that, we went into 3 different whip variations. I'll go ahead and borrow Debbie. We had, the first one was several versions of an Apache whip, just the basic 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You end up in this position here. Then after that, we extended it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Catch the hip on 6. Do a little round and round, and then let her slide out. And that can be like 10, 12 counts. And then we went one more level up and we did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take her down the slot, take both hips, and then come around like that. We also, right before that, we did a different version. I call the gym version. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, instead of grabbing the hips, we did this transfer to this side, and then we took her out that way. So one more time with that. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring her down here, we bring her to this shoulder blade, and then we take her out. We just did that free spin from closed, but there's other exits, of course. We could take her out with a tuck from closed. Next whip was a Jazzbox whip. So we did 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We ended up in this leftover right hand position. One more time. I think we're missing. So we did Jazzbox whip, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We did some simpler versions of that, but this was the main one we were going for. And then after that, we took advantage of this position to do what I call an alligator whip, where we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's one version of it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So on that one, we draped the leader's head on count 4 instead of the follower's head. We broke all that down and walked through it. Everybody did good. We had an advanced class tonight. So thanks, Debbie, and thanks everybody for coming.